Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to create this cool add to cart animation in Figma using local variables. If you're ready, I'm ready. Come with me, let's go. Okay, welcome back. Now so you can see we are previewing the prototype now. It's in the plus sign and the minus sign. It is not increasing or reducing. So the first thing you need to do is to come to your design and create a local variable. So you can say I already created a local variable for cart, but how you're going to create a local variable is to click on the create variable sign and use a number, right? And let's call this cart till. So it's my enter and my cart till is here. I want to set the number to 0 because that's the default number I want it to be, right? So once you're done with that, you close this. And the reason why I'm doing that is because now you can see these digits, and it's going to let's make this 8. So here is 8, and I come to my text, click on my apply variable and click on cart t. Once I hit the cart t, we use this, notice that the number is going to switch immediately to 0. So now I know that I'm sure that it is set. So the next step for you to do is to come to your prototype. By the way guys, subscribe to my channel if you find this video valuable, share with your community of friends, and do well to like this video. Alright, back to the video. So the next thing you need to do is to click on the plus sign and click on your interaction, on click and use conditional. So this is where it gets very interesting. So for us to create a conditional statement, so we're going to use our cart till because that's what we want to write the condition for. We're going to use our cart till, and we now say that if our cart is lesser than or equal to. Now lesser than or equal to is when we want it to increase, right? So use our cart is lesser than or equal to, and it sets the frame we want it to be. So let's say in my backend my number of Nike shoes that I have is 10, so I'm going to put 9 here, and I will let you know in the minutes. Now so I use 9 and click enter. So I will add an action, and my action is going to be what? Set variable. And what's the variable? For the variable is going to be for the cart till, and now I'll set the action for the cart till, which is the expression I want. So the cart till, I'm not going to put addition 1. So the reason why I use 9 at first is because 9 plus 1 is going to be 10, so that's the maximum it's going to go. So I hit my enter, and with this addition is already set. So let's check it out, let's try it out. You can see our cart till is increasing 9 get to 10, and that's the maximum. It's not going to go back because we've not set for minus. So now let's come here and increase this to, let's make this 99 and hit enter. Once we make this 99, you see it keeps going till you're able to take it down to 100. So now let's do the same thing for the minus. So come to the minus and hit interaction, on click, none, use a conditional and write a condition for what? For the cart till. Perfect. So for the cart till, now this is where we now use, first we use lesser than or equal to when we want to increase, we want it to decrease, we're going to use greater than or equal to. So it just simply means that if any number I have here is greater than 1, what do you want it to do? It's my enter, add an action, set variable for the cart till. So if my number is greater than or equals to 1, I want my cart till to minus 1 from it, and I'll hit my enter. So that's just, so 27 is greater than 1, so when I hit this it's minus 1. You can see now 26 is greater than 1, so when I hit it's going to minus 1. It keeps going like that. And also that's how we use the conditional statement of greater than or equal to. So if 1 is equals to 1, minus 1 from it and stop at 0. So 0 is not greater than or equals to 1, so it's not going to minus again. So that's just set a frame. So you are not going to now have a negative number with this. So with that being said, that is how you're going to do this add to cart number with variables. I hope you found this video valuable. If you do, please like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your community of friends. So if you look at the top right corner, you're going to see a video where I'm going to explain to you how you're increasing your cart till is going to increase the price, and reducing the cart till is going to reduce the price. So do well to check out that video if you want to know how to do that animation also. Till I come your way again next time, I remain Akina Samuel. Bye for now. Please do well to like this video, share and subscribe with your community.